whatever has been going on before this moment, and whatever is going on after. Allow those spaces to be where they are, and you be right here with me in this very space, in this very moment. Take a deep breath in, nice and slow. Let it out fully. Beautiful. And just allow the space. Just allow the space. Allow your being to relax. Allow your being to allow you. Allow yourself to allow your heart to be fearless. Allow it to remember that it is source in this now format. It is connected into and fully aligned with the space in which all come from. And that space is experiencing itself within the format of you. Allow the heart to remind you of the wholeness of you, not the pieces and parts alone. They are valued, they are sacred. We love them and respect them, but allow them to be bathed in the love of the divine, which is you. Allow that flow. Yawa, kewa, tawa. Nawea, sawa. Don't be afraid of who you are. Kinia natakea. Release those fears. Just walk right through them. Trust yourself. Kanenea natawa. Allow your truth to rise. Yinea natea. The illusion and the distortion is within the mindset of separateness, of being alone, of being wounded, of being broken. You are whole. And your wholeness can flood through your nowness and bless and heal any spaces that have ever felt broken and experienced pain. They can be bathed in the love of the divine. Allow. There's something leaving the right side of your head right now. Something very dense leaving the right side of your head right now. Just allow, please. Breathe. You're letting it go. You're letting all the spaces of pain receive love. You're initiating the love to all the spaces that you know of and that you've never been aware of, but you have held the energy of. And you are bathing you in your own love right now. Allow. Allow the space, Holy One. Allow you. You are free. You are free. Wholeness is you, and you are wholeness. Trust yourself. You are safe. It's safe to be whole. It's safe to be well. Trust your inner knowing and allow yourself to rise without anything preconceived, taught, told, structured beliefs given to you. Your origin point, your clarity, your essence rises. Allow. Allow. Beautiful work, Holy One. Beautiful work.